Most entrepreneurs start in the wrong place. They immediately begin creating. They start designing ads, filming videos, writing scripts, building campaigns without first understanding what's already working in the market. And that's expensive when you truly think about it. And I had to start from zero. How would I market a business in 2026? Not with a huge team, not with a massive advertising budget, and certainly not by spending months creating content nobody watches. If I lost everything tomorrow, my businesses, my audience, my network, my brand, I mean everything, and I had to start from zero. How would I market a business in 2026? Not with a huge team, not with a massive advertising budget, and certainly not by spending months creating content nobody watches. Instead, I'd use AI, and more specifically, I'd build a system that helps me learn what's already working before I create anything from scratch. Because in today's world, attention is one of the most valuable assets a business can potentially have, and the businesses that learn fastest often gain an advantage from their competitors. That's just a given fact. Quick disclaimer as always before we go any further. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered business or finance advice. I'm simply sharing my own experience, my own opinions on certain elements around business, finance, and investments. Look, if I had to start everything over tomorrow, the first thing I would actually do is not to create content. I know that sounds strange, but most entrepreneurs start in the wrong place. They immediately begin creating. They start designing ads, filming videos, writing scripts, building campaigns without first understanding what's already working in the market. And that's expensive when you truly think about it, from a monetary perspective and a time perspective. And when you think about it, time is one of the most valuable resources entrepreneurs have. And if I was starting again, my goal wouldn't be creating more content. My goal would be learning faster. And that's where AI becomes incredibly useful for my experience. See, one of the biggest shifts happening in marketing right now is that businesses no longer need to start from a blank page. AI can help identify patterns, analyze content, surface trends, and help marketers create more efficiently. But here's the important distinction. AI doesn't replace strategy, it supports strategy. The real advantage isn't generating content, it's generating better ideas faster. And that's why I've been exploring a tool called Omomo. What makes Omomo interesting is that it's not positioned as a generic AI video generator. It's built specifically for TikTok commerce and shoppable video creation. The philosophy is simple: stop starting from zero. One feature I truly like here is the real-time trending viral video feed. Instead of manually searching through TikTok trying to find inspiration, which can take hours, right? Omomo surfaces trending viral shoppable videos and viral templates in real time, more importantly. If I were launching a product from scratch, this is exactly where I would start. Not by asking what content should I create, but by asking the following instead: what content is already resonating with audiences? It's a very proactive mindset from my experience, because marketing isn't always about inventing something entirely new. Sometimes it's about understanding patterns that are already there. Now here's where Omomo gets really interesting. This feature is called Viral Remake, and the concept is straightforward. Rather than starting with an empty script, you begin with a viral video that's already performing really well. Omomo analyzes the following: hook structure, selling rhythm, content flow, product positioning, video pacing, then helps create new shoppable video concepts based on those proven frameworks. This doesn't mean copying someone else's content, it means learning from successful formats, because many successful marketing campaigns follow recognizable structures, and understanding those structures can be extremely valuable for you as an entrepreneur, especially if you're starting from zero. Another interesting aspect: let's say you find a piece of content that's relevant to your market. Instead of spending hours trying to reverse engineer it manually, you can simply paste the video link. Omomo analyzes the content, captures the key selling points, studies the content structure, and helps generate TikTok-style shoppable video concepts around those insights. See, what's powerful here isn't just speed, it's reducing friction, especially for agencies, brands, and content teams that need to manage multiple campaigns at once. Now here's something that aligns closely with how I think about business testing. Many entrepreneurs become emotionally attached to one idea, one ad, one campaign, one piece of content, but marketers don't often respond the way we expect it to respond. That's why testing truly matters, and this is where batch creation becomes truly useful. Omomo allows users to generate multiple creative variations around different audience angles and marketing approaches, which is truly insightful from my perspective. The goal isn't finding one perfect video. No, the goal is learning which ideas deserves further attention. That's a much healthier business mindset when you truly think about it. One thing I think many people overlook is workflow efficiency. Finding inspiration in one tool, creating content in another, managing accounts somewhere else, publishing somewhere else too. That adds complexity. Omomo Momo brings several of those functions together. You can discover inspiration, create videos, manage workflows, publish content, all within one platform. And for teams managing multiple products, campaigns, or client accounts, that's a meaningful advantage from my experience. So look, if I generally had to start from scratch tomorrow, which I hope I don't have to, of course, my process will be simple. Step 1, study the market. Step 2, identify proven content patterns. Step 3, use AI tools like Momo to accelerate research and creative production. Step 4, create multiple content variations. Step 5, learn from audience feedback and refine over time. Not because AI guarantees success, it doesn't of course, but because AI can help reduce friction and accelerate learning. And in business, learning fast is often incredibly valuable from my experience. One thing I've learned is that most entrepreneurs think they're competing against bigger budgets, bigger companies, bigger things, but increasingly the real competition is speed. The speed at which you learn, the speed at which you test, the speed at which you adapt, the speed at which you execute. And tools like Momo are helping businesses move faster by removing some of the friction between idea and execution. Look, if you would like to explore Momo for yourself today, I'll leave a link in the top part of my description as always. But it's time for me to wrap up this video. And if you found this video helpful and useful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video where we of course going to be talking about more business, finance, AI, and entrepreneurship as always. Take care now. Bye-bye.